on our way to Cabo. Just like that.
We're here.
I think I know this guy. Alright, so my voice smells like shit. Feeling a little bit under the weather. But fuck it, we're still going. Let's go. How do you feel at the moment?
I feel a little tipsy but excited because we're gonna get on this cruise. We're gonna go see the sunset. I'm excited.
Jiggle, wiggle, and dance like the roof on fire. We go drink drinks and take shots until we fall out like the roof on fire. Now, baby, get my booty naked, take off all your clothes and light the roof on fire.
Somebody explain what we're drinking here, guys.
It's a fucking michelada with cebolla. Sin cebolla. It's a sin cebolla.
For a magic trick. Where did she go? So this is actually the first time that we have a bar in our room. And as you can see, it's top shelf.
Bruh.
nice shoes. For those of you who know me, know that I'm afraid of heights. But this actually wasn't that bad. So I got sick and lost my voice and wasn't really able to do any real vlogging. Hey, but that's part of traveling. You only see the highlights. Things don't always go as planned. You don't see the long flights or long layovers. Maybe you lose your phone or get sick from something you ate last night. But I can promise you, it's worth it. They say travel is the only thing you can buy that makes you richer. And that's why I put so much time and effort into these videos. My goal is that I inspire my friends and family members to take a trip. Maybe you're afraid of flying, or you don't have enough money. Maybe you saw on the news that Mexico's dangerous and the alcohol is tainted. Stop looking for reasons why you can't, and look for reasons why you can. And if you can, you should. I mean, look at these views. And to think, most of us see the same shit every day. On your way to work, you see the crazy guy waving the Jesus sign. The irony of travel is that once you see something, you can't unsee it, and then that just takes you down another rabbit hole. It makes you realize how much more there is to see, and in the grand scheme of things, you haven't really seen much or been anywhere. Experiences over possessions, and just remember, travel while you're young and able-bodied. You can always get more money, but you will never get more time. Well, enough with the philosophical stuff. Oh yeah, and don't drink so much.